Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today, nakatapos na naman tayo ng isang project. So we have the McFarlane Toys na Batman Hush. Thank you very much, Sir Justin Duerme of Just a Poptograph. Sa kanya ko to nabili. Yung McFarlane Toys na Batman Hush. Super nice, very good condition, tight joints. And thank you din kay McFarlane Toys for making these awesome mga Batman na action figures and collectibles. Didiscuss ko na rin kung paano ko ginawa si Batman Hush na comic book paint style na repaint. So first, actually meron na rin akong tutorial nito sa mga previous videos ko. I think last year ko siya ginawa. Ito second na version natin. Second na type of execution. Pero same lang yung paint style na comic book paint style na repaint. So first nag-spray tayo ng flat clear and then nag-apply tayo ng mga shadows, yung mga dark areas for gray, dark gray, tapos yung highlight na gray, mas lighter color, and then the mas lighter pa, white, halos white na. Okay, so yun yung technique na ginagawa natin. So dark, highlight 1, highlight 2, highlight 2, and then yung line art. So yun. Actually ganun lang talaga yung yung pinaka basis ng ating proseso. Dark, highlight 1, highlight 2, and then the line art. That's it. So and then top coat. Mag-apply na rin tayo ng Bosny flat clear dito para ma-seal na yung paint job na ginawa natin. So yun lang mga sir, checking in lang tayo sa YouTube kasi nakatapos tayo ng second version ng ating Batman Hush. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye bye.